God first. Yeah. What? Haha. Yeah. Unity universe. Keeping God first. Brother Stone Ministry. Yeah. For all of y'all. It's the G.O.T. He be the one that's He in my L.F.I.E. God first in everything. It's the M.A.N. Who's in the S.I.N. when He refused to put God first in everything. It's the G.O.T. He be the one that's He in my L.F.I.E. God first in everything. It's the M.A.N. Who's in the S.I.N. when He refused to put God first in everything. When I rise, you better believe I magnify. The first thing on my mind is when I open my eyes. It's to enter in this gates with thanksgiving and praise. You may not understand this if you ain't saved or led astray, but I ain't, cause I'm a saint who was thirsty and took a drink from the waters alive, put into my stride. No longer God's enemy, I'm in the family related to a man from Galilee, the chain breaker, the way maker, Jesus Christ my Lord, the only one and true Savior. So forget what you heard about putting yourself first. That kind of advice will only get you hurt, or even worse, a reprobate mind becomes you. No one to blame, I try to warn you, not a demon swarm you. You chose the words of man, not the voice of the Lord. No more can we afford you heathens to keep believing that you in right standing with God with your scheming. You only call him the Lord when you want something, but when it's time to give him praise, you ain't got nothing. Your prayer life's a mystery. You haven't spoken to God since the turn of the century. Literally, we in a new millennium, and you still offending them after you seem to get rid of some. But your mistake I won't make, let me show you how it's done. What? It's the G.O.T. He be the one that's He in my L.F.I.E. God first in everything. It's the M.A.N. who's in the S.I.N. when He refused to put God first in everything. It's the G.O.T. He be the one that's He in my L.F.I.E. God first in everything. It's the M.A.N. who's in the S.I.N. when He refused to put God first in everything. First seek the kingdom of God and all His righteousness, then and only then do you look for being blessed. Too much preaching on prosperity, not enough on necessities like giving God the glory. Too much gratuitous self-gratification, worldly dictation. The order of things is a process of elimination, and you next after Satan gets his kicks. Done treat you like a trick and got your whole family sick. You neglected God's warning about greed. You made it clear you'd rather live with things you want, not the things you need. A generational curse you got from your folk. Have you ever wondered why your whole family's broke? Nope. Well, here's the answer. Vanity will eat you live like cancer. You'll never have nothing if you don't do something about opening your eyes and realize God created you for the purpose to have a magnified. It's the G.O.T. He be the one that's He in my L.F.I.E. God first in everything. It's the M.A.N. who's in the S.I.N. when He refused to put God first in everything. It's the G.O.T. He be the one that's He in my L.F.I.E. God first in everything. It's the M.A.N. who's in the S.I.N. when He refused to put God first in everything. A wise man in God's eyes is the one who acknowledge or recognize that God's not a man that He should lie. In His wrath will reveal from heaven against godlessness, men who suppress the truth by their wickedness. They who exchange the truth of God for a lie, worship created things, deserve to die, since they don't think it's worthwhile to retain the warning to restrain. Forget what God say they gonna do their own thing. Fools who claim to be wise, doers of evil, doing what ought not be done with a depraved mind. Although they know God's righteous decree, do such things, you get tossed into a furnace hotter than 1,000 degrees. Yet they proceed full of envy and strife, murders of lie, greedy rot inside, heartless slander sayers, boastful lawbreakers on their way to hell for being arrogant God haters. It's the G.O.T. He be the one that's He in my L.F.I.E. God first in everything. It's the M.A.N. who's in the S.I.N. when He refused to put God first in everything. It's the G.O.T. He be the one that's He in my L.F.I.E. God first in everything. It's the M.A.N. who's in the S.I.N. when He refused to put God first in everything. It's the G.O.T. He be the one that's He in my L.F.I.E. God first in everything. It's the M.A.N. who's in the S.I.N. when He refused to put God first in everything. It's the G.O.T. He be the one that's He in my L.F.I.E. God first in everything. It's the M.A.N. who's in the S.I.N. when He refused to put God first in everything. The situation, a lost generation, in love with material creation, facing damnation for the lack of relation, unless they receive this revelation. God first.